All right. After stopping at Sportsman's Direct yesterday, oh, look at that big oak tree. Talking to John Baccarella, telling me about the Clinton River boat launch. So I decided I'm gonna go and do my own survey of what this canal looks like. So we're gonna see here in a minute. Well, I started out in about 6 feet of water. You can see all my electronics. I got side scan from the rear, down scan from the rear, 2D sonar off my trolling motor, GPS, forward facing sonar. It's not facing forward right now though. I have it on a turret, and I will aim it forward. We got a few duck hunters going at it, and just to let you know, I'm heading into the channel. There's the former ramp. Of course, Beacon Cove's over there. Former ramp's right there. This is the new ramp. That's whatever marina, I forget. I don't know. They changed hands over the years. So once again, we're going to see how deep this actually is. Don't mind my sniffles. It's a little chilly out here. Water's muddy as hell. A couple of trees blown in over there. Hopefully I don't trash my boat going through here, but we're gonna see. See the new ramp? Still got the docks in. Apparently the gate is locked. Can't get in. Again, we're looking at side scan, 60 feet to either side of the rear of the boat. Down scan from the rear. Right here. This is off the end of the trolling motor, which is why it's showing shallower, because the trolling motor is deeper than the transducer at the rear of the boat. So this is really while you're motoring along. This is the 2.6 feet you see is off the end of the trolling motor. We're really about a foot deeper than that. Again, give you a view where we're at. Kayak launch is gone. They've disassembled it. John told me that yesterday. I wanted to come in here and see for myself. Remember, this number you see here is off the end of the trolling motor. Getting pretty skinny now. I don't know if it's just muck. Kind of shoaled up there. That might be an issue spot. I don't know. But we're gonna take a chance. The water's muddy. I can't see how deep it is, so let's see. There's not much debris in here, according to the side scan, but I've definitely launched at worse launches, or shallower launches. Heck, you go up north, some of them launches in them northern lakes, they're, you know, 2-3 feet till you get out to the drop, or 100 yards. So as long as this is a small boat launch, I don't see a problem with it. Yet I'm assuming it's going to get actually deeper up here. See how close I am getting to the ramps now. Again, that 2 feet, you can add a foot to that. That's off the end of the trolling motor. Well, is it shallow? Yes. Let's go the old hillbilly way. Figuring out how deep it is. What the bottom content is like. Oh, it's all muck. Unless there's something in it, I don't think you're gonna hurt much. It's all muck. I dropped the power poles, but I don't think there's a reason to. It's shallow. They would probably get buried in the muck, but sorry for the shaky camera too. There you go. It's shallow. Kick up any mud with the trolling motor. I'm sure I am, but it's hard to see because it's already muddy. Change depths here so you can see that easier too. As I run my units on manual mode, not on automatic. So you're looking 2.5 feet deep off the back end of the boat. Forward facing, it doesn't work very well in shallow water, only able to look out 15-20 feet when I'm only in 2 feet of water. So you can get an idea of what it looks like down there on the side scan. That's seawall to seawall right now. Again, to show you where we're at. Brand new seawall. Not so brand new seawall. Tore out all them old docks. Still got the old water lines in there. Well, I don't know, John. They're gonna point fingers at each other for sure, just like you said. I don't see any outboard boat up to 23 feet having an issue launching here. Depending on what they draft, that's where the kayak launch should go. Let's see what. Open up this side scan, go out to 80 feet. I'm assuming these are where the dredger put their poles down while they were dredging, or the barge did. There's the corner of the seawall for the kayak launch. But as you can see, it's a beautiful day. I'm done with my public service for the day, showing everybody the ramp. There's some stuff over there probably be cleaned up, but I don't see a reason why it couldn't be open for duck hunters and fishing boats.